People are obsessed with working their abs, but I want to tell you something. You don't need stronger abs. You need to wake your core up, because here's the truth. It's very likely that most of your core muscles are asleep. See, most people are obsessed with these muscles right here, the rectus abdominis. Those are those six-pack abs that run vertically right here. Now, when those muscles are strong, they're able to flex and extend the spine like this. But what about things like bending over and picking stuff up, or stabilizing your core through rotation? That's what's really important, because when those deep core muscles are strong, guess what happens? It keeps your spine rigid and in place like this, which means your spine's not gonna flex and extend over, it's not gonna twist too much, because when that happens, you can pinch down on those discs, those nerves, and you can end up hurting your back. So what we wanna do is not just work the rectus abdominis, okay? We wanna work these deep core muscles right here. So take a look at these. These are like your transverse abdominis, your internal obliques. These muscles run horizontally around your core like this. They act like a corset stabilizing the spine. Now I'm gonna show you a movement, and I'm gonna make some tweaks to this movement that'll help you activate all these muscles. The movement's called the plank, but we're gonna do an easy version of it, because here's the thing. Most people do planks really, really wrong. So what you're gonna do is come into a push-up position, plank position on the chair like this, okay? Squeeze your glutes and tuck your pelvis like this, and make sure that your shoulders are dropped down and away from your ears. Now turn your elbow pits forward. This is where people start to go wrong. So I'm turning my elbow pits forward like this, and instead of pushing your arms forward to hold the position, what I want you to do is try to drag your arms backwards towards your thighs to hold the position. So you're here, you want to pull the arms backwards and down. Now immediately, this move, even a plank like this on this high chair surface, becomes significantly harder, probably harder than a plank on the floor, because now you're activating those deep core muscles and you're doing this the right way. So you gotta stop doing movements the wrong way, and you gotta start doing them the right way. That's how you can actually strengthen your core and the rest of your body.